Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another versus video. Today we want to talk about an actual RV mat versus a rubber mat or even a tarp. A lot of people think, I'll just use a tarp, it's cheaper, you know, I can use it a few times, throw the thing away. Here's the problem. Number one, they slip, right? They're not safe to walk on. They're hard to secure to the ground. The other thing is they kill the grass underneath them. So a lot of campgrounds won't let you use a tarp or don't like you to use a tarp because the grass can't breathe through the tarp. Ends up killing the tarp. RV mats, on the other hand, the grass can breathe through it, doesn't kill the grass. It kind of knocks it down, but it doesn't kill it. Also, the RV mats are easy to secure and they're very easy and safe for you to walk on. You don't have to worry about slipping on an RV mat. As well as you can pick them right up, hose them off, wait for them to dry, fold them up and put them away. So in our opinion, you're definitely better off with an RV mat. If you'd like to purchase one, give us a call and ask for parts at 877-877-4494, or you can buy them on our website, rvwholesalers.com. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page where you can see more videos like this one.